Looking for a special home loaded with desirable upgrades that's ready for move-in? Owners pay meticulous attention to detail and have added many upgrades to this beautiful home with spacious open floor plan. They hate to leave their wonderful abode but must relocate for work. Kitchen with new faucet and new Samsung stainless steel appliances including smart refrigerator and range with double oven. Microwave has grill. Dining room is being used as part of the living room. Hardwoods in half bath, breakfast area, and kitchen. Spacious primary bedroom with dual vanities and walk-in closet in primary bath. Upgraded light fixtures. Storm door added to front. French door with screen leads to oversized patio and storage building in the rear with fenced-in yard. Generator fueled by LP tanks in rear. 320 gallons rainwater tank and gutter guards added. Attached 2-car garage with epoxy floor for clean surface plus ceiling fans added to garage. Home warranty included.